Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
Honorable judges, respected teachers, and for all my beloved friends, today I'm truly grateful for the opportunity to deliver a speech entitled Digital Literacy for Youth Empowerment. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Habibullah Zaki Asadi. I am from SMAN 2 Pulau Punjul, Dharmasaya Regency. So, let me start with a quick question. Ladies and gentlemen, how many of you check your phone right after waking up this morning?
Me.
Yeah, I thought so. We all do that, right?
Right.
But here's the real question. Are we just using technology, or are we actually understanding it? That's where digital literacy comes in. Digital literacy isn't just about knowing how to scroll through TikTok, posting on Instagram, searching on Google. No, but it's about knowing how to think critically, communicate wisely, and use technology responsibly. It means knowing how to find the right information, spot the fake news, protect our privacy, or use digital tools to create something meaningful. Now, why is this important, especially for us, the youth? Because we are the generation that lives in online and offline world at the same time. Our voices are powerful. We can start movements, build business, and share ideas with the whole world, not just from this one, our phones. But power without responsibility could be dangerous. We can be easily misled, manipulated, or even get cyberbullying. Whoa, that's scary, right?
Yeah.
Well, what can we do about it? First, be curious. Learn how technology really works. Don't just be a don't just be a users, be creators. Make something that influences others. Second, ask yourself before you share. Is it true? Is it right? Like, read the whole page and find out if it's true or not. And third, use technology to empower others. Teach your friends, help your family, or use social media to spread positivity. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a world where every young person use digital technology, use digital platforms not just for entertainment, but for learning, innovating, and inspiring others. We could be a generation that isn't only smart, but also wise, responsible, and full of creativity. So today, I want to challenge all of us. Let's not just be digital natives. Let's be digitally empowered leaders. Because the future belongs not to those who simply scroll through life, but to those who use technology to share. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all my speech. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih kepada nomor 3. Selanjutnya,
Mantap, Dede. Ini Dedek kita, guys.
Kalau timbul di depan tuh lancar gitu.
Dedek, mantap, Dedek.
This is my first